Okay, so I just installed this puppy. It's a throttle controller. I haven't even driven Millie yet. And just revving the engine, there's a big difference with this son of a beach on here. Oh, I can't wait to drive it. All right.
During parking mode.
Let's see how this goes with the throttle controller for the first time.
1 occurred.
So.
Continuous recording will now start.
Shut up. That's my dash cam.
Connected.
Sorry. Okay. I have it on the maximum setting, which is where I'll be driving anyway. And that's called Ludicrous setting 8. So let's see how responsive she is now. Ho, ho, ho. Yes, indeed. I am barely touching the pedal, and she's doing that. Whew. This is crazy. I can't wait to put her on the highway tomorrow. Okay. Oh, this is gonna get me in trouble. Oh, this is gonna get me in trouble. All right. Let's try something, shall we? Come on, get your bony ass across the street. Yes, Lord.